Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive board on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Pinterest application. Then tap on your profile icon, which is right next to notification icon. To find your archived board, all you have to do is scroll down to the very bottom of your boards. As you can see, archive boards are in different sections. Then just tap into your board. Then tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of your screen. Select Unarchive. Tap on Unarchive button once again. And this is how you can unarchive board on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.